The market is on fire today. Bitcoin and Ethereum is doing very, very well, which pushing and helping all the altcoins and the meme coins. And you see here, Shiba's kind of leading the charge in the 24-hour percentages. Look what they're up. 24-hour, 31%, 7-day, 31%. And I got to get credit to this because Bitcoin rises above 43K for the first time since May. That's why it's important to hodl and do your research and have those diamond hands. You know what I'm saying? Because this price, yes, we may have pullbacks, but just hold on to the ride and let's talk about it. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. We've been waiting for something like this for some time now. We've been having a lot of dips. We've been having a lot of people selling off, whales coming in, whales coming out. And I'm not saying they're not going to come in and sell out, but what I'm saying here, enjoy this as well. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, Bitcoin's probably had a lot to do with it, and they do. Look at this. Bitcoin price rose above 43K Friday. Today is Saturday, by the way. It's actually at 44,000 today since May, taking its year-to-date return to 48%. And this is not what they're talking about. Now you got JP Morgan's is now all involved. All of a sudden you're seeing all these investors and these companies involved in Bitcoin and other assets, which is helping other ones like Shiba as we speak. Dogecoin having a beautiful day today. They're having a really good day as well. So look like the meme coins is kind of duking it out to see who is going to be profitable, and they both are. So if you're a holder of Shiba and Dogecoin, you got to be smiling right now, but beware of a pullback as well. So you probably also could be thinking, is this actually involved in a Shiba swap in terms of the total value locked? The total value locked is moved up some, and also if you look at here, LEASH is up and so is Bone. It's not doing the numbers as Shiba's doing in terms of percentages, but LEASH is starting to move up a little bit. Bone is starting to move up a little bit, which basically takes me to, okay, it's the pairings. What that have to do with some of the farming, wolfing pairings? Has that been actually involved? And the answer is yes, it has. It has been involved in this because the price of Bone and Shiba is going up. So if you got one of these pairings like SHIB Bone, then that is going to be impacted. If you got, LEASH and Bone, that's going to be impacted. If you got Bone and Ethereum, that's going to be impacted. So basically everything is going up right now. So that does help with this type of movement here. Now for me, I'm looking to take some of my reward Bone here soon. I got 170. So I'm going to check to see how these fees are. So right now I'm going to confirm right here, and let me go ahead and I'll show you right now. So I'm trying to take advantage of every opportunity that is possible. So let me go here, confirm. Let me confirm here. Look at these fees. This is not the right time. This ain't the right time. $51.81. This is in the evening. I usually do not do transaction at this particular time. And I'm going to show you this $51.81 if it goes back up again. But that's what the fees were. It actually, I'll do it again. I'll even show it to you. $51.81. Look at that. $51.81. Absolutely not. Unless I just had to. No way. But anyway, this video is about really that we seeing things move in a positive direction. Shiba in the top 100 is the leading percentages in terms of 24-hour on CoinMarketCap. That's saying a lot. I mean, it's the leading one, and Dogecoin is number 2. So I am a holder and hodler for both of them. Yes, I got some Dogecoin still, but I've got a lot of Shiba packed up and ready to go to make some moves here. So I'm so excited. SHIB Army, stand up. Your captain is speaking right now. Captain in you. It is a good day. Let's celebrate it. Now, tomorrow, Monday, it could pull back. That's fine. That means if it pulls back, not financial advice, I'm going to be ready to accumulate. Absolutely. I'm going to be ready to make a move if there's a move to be made. Now, in terms of rewards, I don't know if we're going to get the rewards tomorrow because they moved to this bi-weekly, But I am going to be looking out for any possible rewards if it happens. It may be next Sunday that we get those, but I'm going to be looking out for rewards, and I'll definitely do a video if that happens or not. So let's celebrate here. Shiba, Dogecoin is doing well. Bitcoin, the whole market is doing well. If I go back here, Bitcoin is at 44,000. That is very, very phenomenal. And that helps a lot when people are investing to Dogecoin, Bitcoin, that's going to help the other assets as well. So Shibaswap, I'm excited, and I'm excited about this market right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I did not expect, if I go back here one more time, if it lets me go back one more time, to have Shiba and Dogecoin leading today's charge in 24 hours. I did not expect to see that. I didn't. So it's doing it. Yes, 31%, 32%, keeps going up. So my name is Adam Shelton. I'll be back with another video more than likely tomorrow to do a recap on what happened today, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click on the links below to get started with anything that's down there that's going to help you grow each and every single day. I'll see you later.